Hello student, welcome in political science class. Student, today I have taken topic challenges of political succession in India after 1960. Students, after independence in India, there was not any challenge for the political supremacy than Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru became big leader among the other Congress leader to take the post of the Prime Minister. There was no doubt, there was no conflict, and there was no any question on the post of Prime Minister after independence. And from 1947 till death of Nehru continued successfully without any political challenge ruled nation as the Prime Minister of India. But what happened after 1960 we are going to discuss in the political atmosphere of India. Student, after 1960 Nehru became ill and this question arose in India, who will be after death of Nehru and what will be Indian politics like democratic system, challenges of poverty, challenges of Pakistan, foreign and external relation, the poverty erosion, what will be these things after Nehru. Student, point number first, the 1960 was onwards till 1966 was the time of political succession in India. After 1960, 2 or 3 times problems increased in India for the political succession because on 27 May 1964 when Pandit Nehru, two main questions arose from the serious debate and doubt. After 1964, when Nehruji expired, then how political succession will be? Who will be Prime Minister after Nehru? This question, serious question, arose in India, and people with the other leaders started debate and discussion about two questions. Number first, after Nehru who, after Nehru what? Because after Nehru political atmosphere was not zero. Many great political leader was available in India because they had got a lot of experience under Nehru cabinet. But who will succeed the post of Nehru? It was serious debate, and what will be after Nehru? It was also serious debate in India because many policy program, foreign external affairs program Nehru had started. And what will be with the democracy and Indian constitution? It was another question. World level political leader had criticized Nehruji, if death, then how India will rule? India will rule by democracy or dictator. The world famous political persons had said after death of Nehru, maybe India will go in the hand of army. But they were wrong because Indians had got independence after thousands, more than thousands sacrifice and after big movement. So for the protection of the democracy, everyone was ready after Nehru. Point number third, but after Nehru, the succession Shastri took place proved all critics wrong. Very peacefully, without any conflict, debate, discussion, problem, Shastri ji became second Prime Minister of India after Nehru. Why? Because when Nehru ji became ill, he had given all works in the hand of Shastri. Why? Because Shastri undoubtedly was great leader after Nehru in the Congress and also in the India. Many other great leader over there, but among them Shastri was much superior and he had lot of experience under the Nehru cabinet. One accident remembered all political persons. When Shastri ji was railway minister, one accident and Lal Bahadur Shastri resigned due to the personal responsibility. Nehru ji asked to Shastri, why are you resigning? Shastri said, I am railway minister. I am parents of the railway. If any accident came, that is my responsibility to fail the control of the railway safety and protection. Seeing this honest responsibility, Shastri ji got superior position in the Congress, and after Nehru, without any problem and conflict, the political succession gone in the hand of Shastri. And point number 4, Shastri was second Prime Minister of India from 1964 to 96, and Shastri had faced many challenges like economic crisis due to the monsoons failed and a drought and Indo-Pak war in 1965 and expired in 1966 in Tashkent. Shastri ji, when became the Prime Minister of India, many problems came like drought, low and less rainfall had created food crisis in India, and same time Indo-Pak war started. But Shastri ji dealt very successfully both problems and given very famous slogan, and every person were speaking and contributed their role according this slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jawan will work at the border against the enemy of India, and Kisan will do hard practice in the farm. Both had given good contribution after the calling of Shastri, and Indian defense and agriculture productivity increased, and successfully India defeated Pakistan. But new crisis came. Same crisis came after death of Nehru. What was crisis? In 1966 in the Tashkent, due to the agreement between Pakistan and India war, Shastri ji gone in Tashkent, but unfortunately he died after death of the Shastri. Again a new question came, who after Shastri? But this time Indira Gandhi came to be challenged because competition between Morarji Desai and Indira Gandhi. But after resolved the question, Desai and had peacefully transition of power was seen as a sign of maturity of India's democracy. After death of Shastri, Indira Gandhi was young leader among them. She got some small experience under the cabinet of Shastri. She was information minister. But after death of Shastri, who will be Prime Minister? That time President of Congress was K. Kamraj. He had given best formula. We will use our vote, means Lok Sabha members will give vote of two candidates, because Morarji Bhai Desai was senior leader in the Congress. He had lot of experience under cabinet of Nehru and Shastri. So after the voting, Indira Gandhi became winner and Morarji Bhai Desai defeated, and Indira Gandhi became third Prime Minister of India. So India with the maturity of democracy had deal the Saxena question after death of Nehru and after death of Shastri. Okay, student, thanks.